Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my first StitchFix box. This is like a subscription. How you get started is you go onto the website and you do like a little questionnaire. It's like having your own personal stylist each month, or however you choose to get your boxes. I decided to do it every other month. I think you do have the option of doing it every month, every other month. And there is another option, but I can't remember at this time. So I decided to get a box sent to me every other month. Like I said, this is my first time, and I told myself I was not going to, be doing any other subscription, because right now all I have is Walmart subscription. That's seasonal, and I get that 4 times a year. And then I have FabFitFun, and I get that 4 times a year. And then I have Globe Collaborative, which I choose when I want to get a delivery sent out to me. So those are the only things that I have right now. And then I also included this one. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it looked. I have seen several videos. So I want, I do love to shop, and I do love clothes. I want to just see what type of items that I would get inside of my box that is personally choose for my style. Like I said, you do a questionnaire, and they send you items based on that questionnaire. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Before we do that, I would love you guys to subscribe to our channel, become a part of our YouTube family. It's free. And I would love to have you guys a part of our family. After you hit that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. So I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm going to open the box up and just see what goodies that I have. They ask you a lot of questions, and I do think you can go on the website daily and kind of do another little questionnaire on, certain styles that you like. So I'm kind of excited. You can get things like shoes, jewelry. It's a lot of options on the website. So this is how the box look inside. It does give you a little prepaid shipping package to return the items that you don't want. And I forgot to mention that they will send you certain items, and you keep what you want and you send back what you don't want. So it's up to you whether you choose to keep something, or you see something that you really like and you want to keep it. They will charge you for it, and you keep the item. If you don't like it, you can always send it back. And like I said, my box will come every 2 months. I felt like, that was a good start for me, being that I'm just now getting familiar with this. So we're going to jump in, and I'm going to show you everything that I got. And it has really nice packaging, guys. I think everyone is a sucker for packaging. So the first item looks like some jewelry, and it says it is stud and emerald hoop earring set. So let's see how it looks. Oh, and it really looks and this is the set. I hope you guys can see it. It is like a stud, and it comes with the hoops. And I do have 2 piercings in my ears, so I can wear these together, or I can wear it separate, and it is really nice. Personally, I will wear, like dangly or large earrings, but I wear my studs all the time, and I do like earrings like this. It's just enough. It's enough to, make a statement. So I like these. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I have to see how much they cost. And then, let's see what else they got in here. And then there is an envelope. Let's see what's in the envelope. Thanks for letting us style you. Okay, actually, this is the list of the items that I got. So for the stud and the earring, hoop earring set, it says the color is black. It didn't look too black to me. Let me look at it again. Yeah, it says black, but it doesn't really look black. What do you guys think? But it is a really, really cute set, and it says Ty, you are my inspiration. So, and that was $38. So with all the items that came in the box, my total price came to $225. Then I got a 25% discount, so the order subtotal came to well, the order subtotal came to $166.50, and then I got a styling fee purchase credit, and that's the fee that I paid, which was $20. Shipping is free, so the total order came to $146.50. So that is the value of this box that was sent to me. And inside of the box, I have a blouse, I have a knit top, I have some pants, and a off-the-shoulder top. So they sent me like 1, 2, 3 pairs of, well, they sent me 3 tops and 1 pair of pants and the earrings. So let's keep digging and see what else I got. And they packaged this really good because this is a lot of stuff, but they have it packaged really nice and neat. And like I said, it's 3 tops and a pair of bottoms. So these are the pants, and they are a size 12, and they are just some basic just some basic knit pants. And these will be great for work. They also will be great for just, you know, pairing with a nice casual top. And I can see me maybe wearing a black and white striped shirt and some sneakers if I want to do it casual, or if I want to dress it up, I can put on some pumps or some sandals and maybe wear one of these blouses. So like I said, it's just some plain black knit pants, and these cost $44. So the pants was only $44, which is not a bad price, And then I got trying to figure out how this top goes. Oh, I think it ties in the back, guys. So this is a beautiful print. It looks like an animal print, and it has a tie in the back. Short sleeve, which is great for the spring, because if it gets a little chilly, you can always throw on a nice sweater, but also for the summertime because of the short sleeves. And I really like this. I like the color, I like the pattern, and I love this little detail in the back here. That is really cute. And I guess you can untie it and also tie it in the front. Tie it in the front. And I'm not going to try these on because, anything that I do not want, I will be sending back. But I am going to show you guys how it looks. So you can tie that in the front or tie it in the back. That is so cute, and it goes great. Oops. Almost about to drop the box here. And it goes really great with these pants here. So the next item is a off-the-shoulder You know what? I'm going to sit this box down here. So the next top is a off-the-shoulder top here, which is really cute. I'm not too sure about this pattern. I mean, it's not that bad, but I like more the style of the top than the design, you know, the pattern or design of it. Let's see how much this was. So the cost of this top was $48. And it is an off-the-shoulder top. And I do believe all of the tops can go with these pants here. So if you want to keep all these items, you will have outfits, you know, to go. Well, you would have tops that would match perfectly with these knit pants here. So, you know, if you want to go a little casual, you can go with this knit top here off the shoulder. If you want going on a movie night or a date night. But if you want to be a little dressy and maybe go to church or maybe go to the office, you can throw on this top here. So, so far I am very satisfied with the items. And the very last item, top here, and I think this is going to be my favorite. I love stripes. I love black and white stripes. And this little detail here with the yellow on the sleeve just add a nice added touch. Like I said before, if you want to go casual with the black knit pants, you can pair it with this top here. But you can also wear this as a casual day at work. You know, like I said, you know, all these pieces are very versatile, so they will be a great addition to anyone's wardrobe. So I'm pretty much pleased with the items that were selected for me, and I do think this top here is my favorite. I really like this top, guys. Let me see how much this. Let's see. So let me see how much this top is. So so this top is $48. And actually the top that I told you that you could tie in the front is actually a front tie blouse, but I personally would tie it in the back if I want to tie it in the back. I think that would be, you know, really cute. So this top was $48. But it is my favorite. I really like it. I even like the length of it, guys, because I can see you can pair this also with some leggings if you had some leggings, and this would be really cute. Guys, this card was included in the box, and it gives you a look on how you can style each piece that you receive in your box. So right here, the front tie blouse, it gives you a casual option, and it gives you a more dressier option. And here is the options that were chose for the off-the-shoulder top. And here are the two options that were chose for the knit pants, and the option that was chose for the black and white stripe top. So like I said, it gives you two options on how to style that one piece. So just those 4 pieces of clothing can be styled with other items that you already have in your wardrobe, because everyone I think has a pair of a pair of jeans that they can put with a top. And I love how they paired this top with another print, so you can mix prints. It just to give you so many nice options. And I just thought that was so neat, and I wanted to share it with you guys because it was included in the box. So if you still find it hard to put things together, I love how they include this card to help you style the pieces that you get. And like I said, even the pieces can go together themselves. But if you have other items in your wardrobe, it lets you see how you can style those items with the pieces that you receive in your box. So I just wanted to share this with you because I just thought it was a neat idea how they included this. Like I said, it's really like having your own personal stylist. So if you're a person that struggles to put pieces together, this is a great option if you choose to use it. I really like it, you know. And like I said, you can choose how often you want to receive the box, and you can choose items that you want. So if you don't want any of the items, you can always send them back. And I really like that. So you're not obligated to keep items that you really don't want or you really can't afford at that time. So I just wanted to show you this card because I just thought it was really, really neat. So guys, my first impression of everything that I got for my first box, I'm kind of really impressed. They kind of hit my style on the head. You know, I really like these items. Like I said, they sent you tops, like if you want to go casual or you want to dress up. I really feel like just from these 4 items, you have outfits that you can go on a date night, you can go to church, you can go to work, you know, just, you know, shopping. So I'm really, really happy with the items that they sent. So for my favorite item, I would think it would be this top here. And this blouse here was one of my favorites. And of course, I like the knit pants. For my least favorite would be this top here, only because I'm not really feeling this design, but I like the style of the top. So if I could get this top in another color or design, I really would like this, because this would be a cute date night top with the black knit pants. So I am really pleasantly pleased with everything that I received. What I'm going to keep, I haven't decided as of yet, but to be honest with you, I think I might just keep the knit pants because I really, really like these pants. I love the detail on the bottom. So I might keep these pants, and I might keep the earring set. I'm not sure. That's what it's looking at right now. And as you see, guys, this first box was a winner because I'm having a hard time deciding what I want to keep. But I will let you guys know in the next video. You might see me wearing the item. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up, comment, share. But most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you guys a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.